Hi friends, we are looking at some special circuit called clipping circuit. Here, the aim is to ensure that the output is allowed above or below some threshold. And in the previous circuit, we have seen that it was using a capacitor, and the capacitor needs to be charged, discharged, and charging, discharging would take time. Therefore, that would be a little difficult issue when it comes to getting the exact waveform above or below a threshold. So we have special circuits which are using a diode and then a resistor and a battery. This battery is V. We have a resistor R. Now there won't be any charging discharging process, and hence the time constant time issue will not come into picture. Now the input and output can be in phase when the diode allows to. So there are two options when vi is less than vi is less than v, then the diode is off, so output will be equal to v. And when vi is greater than v, then the diode is on, and when the diode is on, then output voltage is same as input voltage. So in this case, the output depends on what is the threshold. So if the threshold is here, that is if v is here, then the output would be something like this. Just deviating so that both input output can be seen together. So this is where v is. Now if v is changed, then the appropriate value of v is used for threshold, and all the input above v is allowed. Now if you just change the situation, now what is the situation? Situation is if vi is less than v, then diode is on, so output will be same as input. And when vi greater than v, then diode becomes off, therefore vo will be fixed to v. That means we get exactly the reverse one. So as long as input is less, we get the output same as input. So we get output same as input when we get input less than v. When input is greater than v, it is fixed to v, and then when the input is less than v, we get this. So the upper portion is clipped. Same thing we can get by changing the battery instead of connecting plus V, we can now have minus V. That means if as long as input is less than minus V, the diode is off. Therefore, the output voltage is equal to minus V. And when input is greater than minus V, the diode is on. So output is same as input. So in place of plus V, we get minus V. That means we are going to get output like this, just opposite of the previous one. Or you can change the diode position, and then we have, so we will be having minus V, and less than minus V is allowed. So these are the four configurations a diode can have. A diode may be in series, then we have four configurations, and we get these types of outputs possible. Same way, we can think of having diode in shunt and can have a clipping action. For example, we can have diode this way and the battery connected. Now, what would happen is when Vi is less than V, when Vi is less than V, the diode is off. That means this is no more existing, therefore, output will be same as input. But when input becomes greater than V, then the diode becomes forward biased, and hence the diode is on, and now output will be fixed to V. So for all situations when Vi is greater than V, then the output is equal to V, and when Vi is less than V, output is same as Vi. This one is going to give us output looks like this. Yeah, next version, just reverse the diode, keeping the same battery configuration. Now when Vi is less than V, what would happen? Diode is on. Diode is on means VO will be equal to V. When Vi is greater than V, then the diode is reverse biased and hence it is off. That means this whole circuit is not existing. So VO will be same as Vi, which is just the opposite of this. That's what we get for this circuitry. Now we may think of having a circuit with a negative voltage applied here. Then what would happen when Vi is less than V? I mean minus V, sorry. When Vi is less than minus V, the diode is off. Diode is off means this parallel circuit is no more existing. Therefore, output will be same as input. When Vi is greater than minus V, the diode is on, and therefore Vo will be equal to minus V. So what does this say? Yes, it says the output to be something V greater than minus V. It is equal to minus V. When V is less than minus V, it will be this. This one is minus V. And finally, if you look for another version with the reverse diode and negative voltage, then Vi less than minus V, what would happen? This is less, this is more, the diode is on, and hence Vo will be equal to minus V. And when Vi is greater than minus V, then diode is off. This circuit does not exist, therefore output should be following input. So when Vi greater than minus V, output follows input. Therefore, in this case, we are getting the other way. So this one is for this circuit, this one is for this circuit, this green one is for this circuit, this red one is for this circuit. So we have ample options. So for anything, this one you can either use this circuit or use this circuit. For this one, either use this circuit or use this circuit. For this one, either use this circuit or use this circuit. And finally, for this output, use this circuit or use this red circuit. So many options are open. So depending on the situation, depending on your liking, you can think of using one of these 8 circuits for appropriate clipping action. Many more to follow. Till then, take care. See you. Bye.